Hey everyone, Rochelle here. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wig tutorial and I'm going to be doing a 360 wig, and this is a glueless wig. All right, so the wig that I'm rocking in today's video is from Ashimary. I hope I said this correctly, and this is the packaging that it comes in. So this is pretty much everything that you're going to be needing for your wig. I have all my little wig accessories here. So you got a HD wig cap, which I think is a must, especially when you're doing HD wigs. It's nice and thin and it is perfect for a ball cap method, and there's two pieces of wig caps in here as well. Also, I have a melting band. Ooh, this one is kind of different. Oh, that's actually pretty smart. So it has like these two little puffer thingies here, and if you look at the picture right here, like sometimes when you put the melting band on, it's like literally like hurting your ear. So I guess it goes on my ear like that, so that way my ear is not getting pinched and squeezed up. That's actually pretty smart, so I do like that idea. And you also have a edge brush, which is a must if you're going to be doing any baby hairs. I don't really like a whole lot of baby hairs. I like to keep it at a minimum. Also, bobby pins. I think this is the first time I've ever received bobby pins with my wigs. There's some extra long lashes if you're into that. I don't really love super long lashes, so I won't be using that one. So we have the wig tape. I'll be honest, I am not very good at wig tapes. I am not. I've tried it a few times. There's some people who are like experts at it. I need a little bit more practice with the wig tapes. I might try it out today, but I'm not very good at it. I'm just not. And this is just their little card in here with all their social media stuff and just how to take care of the wigs, and also customer service stuff. All that stuff is in here. And a bonnet. I don't know about you, but I always sleep in a bonnet. So wig or without wig, I always have a bonnet on. Okay, so let's get into the wig. So this is what the wig looks like. This is a water wave texture. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I love this color. It looks good with green as well. And this one is also a 24-inch length wig, and it is a 360 wig. So 360 meaning that we have lace that goes all the way around. So if you wanted to wear this in a updo, you're capable of doing it. We have the two combs on the side, and we also have the wider comb on the back. It's removable, and I believe the one on the sides, yes, they are removable. Love that, because I really don't like these little thingies. So I love the fact that I don't have to cut it off. They're really easy to remove. I know some people like it, but I personally don't love it. Okay, and then we have the adjustment strap. So I'm gonna go ahead and just adjust this because I already know that I'm gonna need to adjust this to fit my head. So it has the invisible strap in the back, which a lot of the 360 wigs come with it. I like the fact that they have that, I don't know what this is called, like a thick knob. So therefore, when I do the invisible, when I pull the strap, it just stays in place. Because the problem that I have with a lot of invisible strap wigs is that this thing does not stay in place, but this one is thicker. So I'm just gonna loosen that up for you guys. Ooh, so you guys can see. And I'm going to go ahead and tighten it back up just so you can see. So this is the invisible strap thingy that I'm talking about. So you can go in like that. Now, obviously I'm gonna do this while it's on my head so I can know exactly how I want it to be, and that's how it's looking. So as you can see, there's some extra lace right here. So I'm gonna cut this part off, and I just want you guys to get a full view of the wig. This is the wig straight out of the box. So make sure you do not cut this invisible line right here. If you do, it is a wrap, okay? Because then this whole thing would be loosened and the wig will be like this big. So make sure the straps are out of the way and you don't cut that. So I'm just gonna go in with my little cuticle scissors, and I'm gonna cut just like that. This line right here, where you can see that line, I'm gonna cut that part off because you don't need it. So this is right by the ear area, so you're just gonna cut that. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pop the wig on my head. I think I need to adjust it because I kind of tighten it up a little too much. If you hear any little sounds in here, I have kittens. Ace, kitten number 1, Mr. Leo, and this is kitten number 2. Yeah, they're like, put me down. I don't think I put it on correctly, but it's okay. So we have our little strings here. Keep in mind you can hide the little strap thingies with the bobby pins as well. That's probably why they gave the bobby pins, so you could hide those. The wig looks good. I don't think I have it centered properly though. So I'm gonna have to cut a little bit more lace, like right around the ear. right here. I have to cut that part off. Now, as for the hairline, it looks pretty good, but you guys should know this by now that I like my hairline a specific way. I kind of like it to have like a widow's peak, so I'm gonna go ahead and create one. And don't mind this wig cap. I'm gonna like fix that up. Okay, we're gonna add some concealer here. Okay, I love the hairline now. It looks exactly how I want it to look. And then as for the sides, I'm just going to kind of pluck these out a little bit as well. Mainly because I like my hairline to just look a little bit more on the thinner side on the sides. See, looks so much better. And I didn't have to do a whole lot of tweezing, just use my finger. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and just cut this part off. Okay, so I have my two little strings here. I'm gonna pull them, and this is how it is looking in the back. I'm not mad at it. And no, we're not gonna leave this here. We're gonna like tuck them away. So you can just tuck them under your wig cap, but I'm gonna leave them there for now, just for now. I'm gonna cut the lace on this wig. And you can see I'm going jaggedy, jaggedy, jaggedy. Usually I don't cut the lace until I put like glue down or something. But in this case, because this is a glueless wig, you can wear glueless. I just want to see if I could just get away with just using tape on the sides alone. Charlie, I have a puppy. He just came in here. Charlie. As I mentioned before, I do have to tint the lace a little bit, but she is looking great. I'm here for it. So I'm not gonna put the tape all around it because like I said before, I'm just not an expert when it comes to the tape. But if you're an expert, do you, girl? I'm gonna go in with my scissors and just cut. I'm gonna try it like this by putting the tape on the actual lace of the wig, just like that. Yay, perfect. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of glue on my rat tail comb, and I'm just going to apply it just at the sides. I'm not gonna glue this, I'm not gonna glue this, I'm just gonna leave it like that, but I'm gonna melt it. So we're gonna keep it glueless, but because this is a frontal wig, this part usually flips up. So that's why they have the tapes available for someone who would prefer to use the tape over the glue. So you can go ahead and use that. I'll be honest, I just have a very difficult time using tape. It just never works out for me, and I need a little bit more practice, but I'm not mad at the tape. I'm not very good at applying the tape. But overall, I think this wig is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of glue right there and just let it dry. So once it's dry clear, I'm gonna pull this side down. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and hide the little stringies. I'm just gonna adjust them a little bit more. Now you see them, and now you don't. I think I'm gonna use one of these bobby pins. Hopefully it doesn't show, because usually when I wear my wigs, I wear them down, so you can't really see the bobby pins anyways. Okay, I'm gonna use my wig cap to melt this down. Before I melt it, obviously you can see the lace still. So I'm gonna go in with some mousse, and this is what's gonna give that lace that finished look. I could also use my melting spray, my sticky little secret melting spray. I love it, by the way, it's amazing. By me. If you don't have it, you can also use mousse. So I'm gonna use mousse. Go in with my edge brush. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes, probably 10 minutes, and I will be right back. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the. She looks good. Okay, so as you can see the part, you can see my wig cap a little. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some concealer. Using a concealer that is light. So I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace now, and I'm gonna use my contour. And this is how the curls are looking, and there's absolutely no products in it. I wanted you guys to see it without the products before I add any products to this hair. I love the fact that it just lays really flat on my head, considering the fact that I have not even used my hot comb in it or anything, and it's laying pretty flat. I actually really like it without products, so I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, so this is how she's looking down. I'm gonna do a quick little updo. and this is my quick little messy bun. This is pretty much completed look. I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching. Bye.